From the mountains high and silent, from the caves deep and hidden,